I know what is the spirit of this team. I'm sure they will go as far as would be possible.
I'm looking forward to the World Cup. We are still in a phase of preparation for it and we are doing well.
From my players, most important, nobody be injured, but I know behind us they big company.
And what we are doing really, which is completely unique, we are offering all in one place, diagnostics, treatment and rehabilitation. And some of the world top athletes, they really require this kind of approach, otherwise we are doing things superficially.
Wir haben ja ein ganz besonderes Schmuckstück mitgebracht, die Clifton Club in der Kroatien-Edition. 60 Stück haben wir davon produziert.
We know that we have great care from the people that working there.
Obviously, it's really important for a footballer. You need to take care of your body. I personally had a really good experience with Croatian Sveta Katarina. I always feel safe to come there. I'm really happy that this partnership will go further on.
To be actually partnered with one of the best world football club, I think is a great honor. But I have to admit also our heart is with our national team as well.